Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you my Loungefly bag I'm so in love with. I'm gonna show you what I can stuff in this thing. So I'm a regular to theme parks, and this is the stuff I stuff in my normal size backpack, the size kids would usually take to school. And I wanted to put it to the test with this Loungefly bag. They're so cute, but look at all the stuff it fits inside. So I have loved these brand bags for a while now, and I finally splurged on one, and it is so cute. It's comfortable, and it carries everything that I could possibly need. I am a mom with a 6-year-old and an 8-year-old, so that tells you a lot. The stitching on here is nice. I think the pattern is adorable inside and out. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like on. You can see that it's a smaller bag. You can see that the colors are vibrant in it, and you can see where I am ready to go. So I highly recommend this bag, but that's just my point of view.